Okay, quick look through Wednesday's end of day closing screens. I think it was victory for the Bears today. US market just drifting a bit down over the last few days and kind of sideways today, isn't it? Let's just fly through those markets. I did a little bit of tidying up in the GTRS, and then I got called away, and apparently it's spring cleaning in the loft day, so that wasn't too much fun. 250 coming down a bit deeper. Same with the small caps, bottom of the food chain. AIM, but pretty flat in everything else, to be honest. Pretty flat day today in the markets. Just juggle some screens. Cheers, Ian. James, sorry. Ian, what happened? The 1.5 was up. Yeah. The Puppet Master was in control today, wasn't he? So, let me just quickly jump through a few markets. Just having a quick look around. Dollar just having a little bit of a move today. Brent kind of reversing off the 10-month today. Let's just quickly have a look why gold's ending up. Gold's actually popping. There's a little bit of twitchy action in the gold stocks today, but the actual gold price, oh no, I'm a day behind in that. Sorry, I'm a day behind. I'm on the wrong one. Yeah, not much to see today. So I'll keep it short and sweet today. Just buzz through these. I've got to do something for Michelle tonight. When she wants something done, it's got to be done yesterday. So I might have to just nip out. Well, I could do with nipping out tomorrow, so I'm hoping tomorrow's an easy day in the market so I can get away. Tip run and then take it to the shops. So I'll fly through these. We'll just go pro gap, see what gapped up today. Not been much news this week in the markets, has there? Choppy gappy action in some thin stocks. We've got one more there. What's that one? Crown Rents Income Fund. Crikey. Moving on. So there's only 33 today in the closing highs. Quickly fly through these. See if anything's emerging. This is expected, this pro cook. I'll just jump onto it. Expected to post growth. Moving on swiftly. LSEG continues. That's another one what can. I'm still ticking away at just filtering these out of the. I might have already done that one actually. I use a different list for the GTRS, you see, than what I use for these 100-day screens. Oh, crikey, yeah. You know my view on stuff like this, when you see one of these bottle rockets, they usually give it all up again. A small cap, what goes on to trend, it doesn't start like that, you know. It starts with a nice orderly base and it builds, and you know, this is just a big pop. That kind of action in a stock like that is just to sell into all day long. I don't think I've ever seen one what's done that and then carried on without, you know, giving up at least half a move or more. I don't think I've ever seen one. But yeah, every man and his dog thought that was just going to the moon, didn't they? I made the mistake of posting on Twitter that it probably wasn't. And into swing points. Sorry, I forgot to. I was just rushing around last night, and ShareScope hadn't updated, so I went to the. I did all the work without checking, as I, you know, as I've done many times before. Just punch this one in as well. TLY. Return to growth as well. Ugh, crikey, I mean. It's hard to get too excited, but this time next year, Rodney. Yeah, there's just nothing to look at today. That's how the screens are meant to work. What did I put in the end of day? What was in the end of day? LCG and NWR, right? Nothing there. So I'm gonna quick look what's up today. It's not much up today. TRT potential that can stick, isn't it? Isn't it? Always is, you know. When I see a double top, I just you know, more often than not in the good stocks, it will stick, but no crystal balls, obviously. It's a good area to expect it to stick. Let's just pulling in a bit now, aren't we, on some of these markets? We've got a couple of markets now in the sort of pullback zone. US is still strong though. It's hardly anything to see there. It's probably going to work out pretty well for the way I've done this now. You know, just putting the US sectors in here. You know, when all these long zones light up, all the bullish stocks are all in that sort of pullback zone. this will go into the green. This will say zone alarm. And that's going to be a pretty good area for anyone who's, trying to put some money to work. But it doesn't mean, it doesn't mean it's going to pull back. Also, you'll see this populate as well. And obviously this fear or greed will keep coming in the more it populates. It's not just based on that though. LSEG, PCIP in the zone. Let's see what's in pullback at the moment. HLC is, SRC is. Yeah, not much to look at today. But I think I'll leave it there and we'll see what tomorrow brings. I'll get back to doing what I was doing. Cheers all.